How to get black badge on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to learn how we can receive black badge on our Facebook ID. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to receive the black badge on your Facebook ID, there are two applications that you need to download on your device. One of them is Via and one of them is VPN Lat. So make sure to download this application onto your device. So after downloading it, you need to open the Via application here. After that, on the search bar, simply type in facebook.com and log in your account and log in into your account. So after logging into your account, you just need to simply tap on this menu bar. After that, simply go to settings and privacy, I guess, and tap on settings. After that, you can go to your account center. Here, just tap on account center, and here tap on your profiles. After tapping on your profile, just tap on your profile, and here you'll be able to see name option. Here, just tap on name. And before going further with any changes, I want you to go back here and open VPN Lat here and tap on accept here and choose the Indonesian browser here. Just scroll down until you see Indonesia. So here tap on Indonesia and there you'll be able to see two browsers here. So after that thing is done, you just need to tap on the second server here. Just tap on second server and here just tap on connect and tap on OK and wait for it to be connected. After that, you need to copy a code which you can find on Google. Just copy it. I'm just tapping on copy. After copying it, you just need to open up the browser where we opened our Facebook. Just open it here and tap on account center. In here, just paste it. Paste that code until you get a black badge. It may take 4 to 5 attempts to do that. To have a black badge appear on your screen, you may just copy that code and do it up to 4 to 5 times and you'll be able to receive a black badge on your Facebook profile. So therefore, by following this method, you can receive a black badge on your Facebook profile. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.